Welcome to Craft Catalog. If you enjoy creative design ideas, woodworking inspiration, and smart ways to turn simple materials into beautiful decor, you are in the right place. Today we are exploring 50 scrap wood project ideas that can actually make money. Many people think woodworking requires expensive tools and costly materials, but the truth is that some of the most profitable projects start with leftover wood, reclaimed boards, or discarded pieces that others overlook. With a little creativity and thoughtful design, scrap wood can be transformed into decorative items, useful household pieces, and handmade products that people love to buy. Throughout this video, you will discover inspiring ideas showing how small pieces of wood can become stylish creations that combine craftsmanship, creativity, and real profit potential. Scrap wood has a unique advantage in the world of handmade products because it naturally carries character and texture. Small imperfections, grain variations, and weathered surfaces often make wooden items feel more authentic and attractive. Many customers appreciate handmade products that look natural and unique rather than perfectly manufactured. This is one reason why scrap wood creations are so popular in craft markets, online shops, and home decor stores. Instead of hiding the imperfections, many successful woodworkers highlight them, allowing the natural beauty of the material to become part of the design. Another reason scrap wood projects can be profitable is their versatility. Even small leftover pieces can be transformed into decorative accents, functional items, or artistic displays. Wooden wall decor, small furniture accents, tabletop decorations, and practical household accessories are all examples of items that can be created using short boards or reclaimed wood pieces. Because the material cost is often zero or extremely low, even simple projects can generate meaningful profit when they are designed thoughtfully and presented well. Many successful scrap wood products rely on simplicity. Clean shapes, balanced proportions, and smooth finishes often create the most appealing results. Simple wooden designs are easy to produce repeatedly, which is important for anyone interested in selling handmade products. When the design process is efficient and the material cost is minimal, even small sales can become consistent income over time. Another factor that helps scrap wood projects sell well is their connection to natural materials. In recent years, home decor trends have shifted toward organic textures and natural elements. Wooden pieces bring warmth and authenticity into homes, which makes them appealing to buyers who want their living spaces to feel comfortable and welcoming. Handmade wooden decor often stands out because it combines craftsmanship with the timeless beauty of natural materials. As you continue watching this collection of ideas, you may notice that many scrap wood projects focus on practical items that people use every day. Functional objects often sell better than purely decorative pieces because they serve a clear purpose. Items that help organize spaces, decorate walls, or add small touches of warmth to a home tend to attract more buyers. Combining usefulness with good design is one of the most effective strategies for creating products that sell consistently. Another important aspect of profitable scrap wood projects is presentation. Even a simple piece of wood can look premium when it is carefully sanded, shaped, and finished. Smooth edges, balanced proportions, and protective finishes give products a professional appearance. Many successful woodworkers also experiment with stains, natural oils, or matte finishes that highlight the grain while protecting the material. Scrap wood projects also allow for endless creativity. Some designs emphasize geometric patterns and modern aesthetics, while others celebrate rustic textures and natural forms. Layering wood pieces, creating abstract compositions, or combining contrasting wood tones can produce visually striking designs. These creative details can transform simple leftover boards into artistic pieces that stand out in a crowded marketplace. If you are enjoying these woodworking ideas so far, take a moment to subscribe to Craft Catalog. Supporting the channel helps us continue sharing creative design inspiration and practical decor ideas that anyone can explore. Another reason scrap wood crafts can generate income is their accessibility. Many people already have leftover wood from previous projects, construction sites, furniture repairs, or reclaimed materials. Even small offcuts that might otherwise be thrown away can become useful components in new creations. This ability to reuse materials makes scrap wood projects both economical and environmentally friendly. Sustainability has also become an important factor in modern design trends. Many customers actively look for products made from reclaimed or recycled materials. Scrap wood items naturally fit this demand because they transform discarded materials into beautiful and useful objects. When people purchase handmade wooden items made from reclaimed wood, they often feel they are supporting both craftsmanship and environmental responsibility. Another element that contributes to successful scrap wood products is originality. While some designs are simple and familiar, adding a creative twist can make a product stand out. Unique shapes, clever arrangements, or artistic wood patterns can turn ordinary materials into memorable pieces that attract attention. As these ideas continue to appear on the screen, imagine how small pieces of wood can be arranged, layered, or shaped to create new designs. Sometimes a single leftover board can inspire an entirely new project. With practice and experimentation, scrap wood can become a valuable resource rather than waste. Another important principle in selling handmade items is consistency. When a particular design becomes popular, creating multiple variations can increase sales potential. Different wood tones, sizes, or finishes allow one idea to become a small collection of products rather than a single item. This approach helps sellers offer variety while maintaining efficient production. Lighting and photography also play an important role in presenting handmade wood products. Natural lighting often highlights wood grain and texture beautifully, making products appear more attractive in photos. Clean backgrounds and simple styling can help focus attention on the craftsmanship and material quality. If you are finding these ideas inspiring, this is another great moment to subscribe to Craft Catalog. Your support allows us to continue creating relaxing inspiration videos filled with creative decor ideas and design collections. Scrap wood woodworking also encourages experimentation and skill development. Because the material cost is minimal, creators can test new techniques, try different shapes, and refine their craftsmanship without worrying about expensive mistakes. Over time, these experiments often lead to unique products that become signature pieces. One of the most rewarding aspects of scrap wood projects is the transformation itself. Pieces of wood that once seemed useless can become attractive, functional, and valuable. This transformation reflects the creativity and craftsmanship behind woodworking, turning simple materials into objects that bring beauty and usefulness into everyday life. As we approach the end of this collection, remember that successful woodworking does not always depend on expensive materials or complex tools. Creativity, thoughtful design, and attention to detail are often far more important. Scrap wood offers endless opportunities for turning simple materials into meaningful creations. Thank you for watching Craft Catalog and exploring these inspiring scrap wood project ideas with us today. We hope this collection encourages you to see the potential in leftover materials and inspires you to create something new. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who loves woodworking inspiration. Your support helps us continue bringing creative ideas and design inspiration to viewers around the world. Until next time, keep creating, keep experimenting, and keep discovering the hidden value in simple materials. Goodbye and see you in the next video.